Okay. Select that. It's going to give you your manipulator in the same place. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the pivot point of this effector permanently. And the way you do that is by hitting Insert. And notice when I change the pivot, it moves the handle with it because it's subordinate to it. So what we want to do is we want to press and hold V for point snapping and snap it to the wrist. When you release, hit Insert again to complete it. And now, my IK handle is at the wrist. Has everybody got that?
No.
Good. Not good, no, but good you said something. All right. Okay. So, that's the handle, right? The handle moves the arm. If you look in your outliner here, window outliner, if you look in your outliner here, you're going to see L-arm IK handle. And if you expand your IK joints, you're also going to see L-arm IK effector. In your case, if you haven't renamed it, it'll be effector 1. I renamed it, so it's now L-arm IK effector. It is this grayed out one right here, the one that doesn't have any visibility, the one that we cannot move. That's the one we want to edit. Insert allows you to change the pivot point once this is selected. V, pressing and holding V, turns on point snapping. We can snap to joints. So I'm going to snap this to the wrist. I'm going to release V and hit Insert a second time to complete that. My IK handle is now at the wrist, and it will stay at the wrist. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay. Does everybody else get this?
How did you make the effector again?
Okay, so tell you what, let's just delete this bastard. I'll go through it one more time. So I got my joint chain, right? It's like the bestest thing since sliced bread. Bam, so awesome. Okay, go to your animation shelf. It's the one that looks like a ball with 3 red pencils stuck in it. Double click it. Make sure that current solver is set to rotate plane. By default, it's set to this. If I click reset, it's going to go to single chain. Make sure it's rotate plane. Close that. Go into your outliner. Expand your effing hierarchy if you don't have it expanded. Okay. So shoulder, and then you're going to control click the forearm. When it's done, you're going to have effector 1 and IK handle 1. Okay, rename them. L, arm, IK, effector. L, arm, IK handle. Okay. Select the effector. Hit Insert. If it doesn't show up here, just activate your window, hit Insert, V, snap to wrist, Insert, done. Got it? Does everybody get this? Okay, good.
Is there a reason why the effector always goes on the forearm?
Because we draw it there. Because I'm telling you to.
Okay.
So the logical question is, why are you telling us to instead of the wrist? At least that's what I would ask. Right?
Okay.
I'm going to show you why. It's actually easier and more expedient than trying to wait for you to mess up. So, rotate plane solver, and one more time to beat the dead horse just a little bit more because we're evil like that. IK shoulder. This time I'm going to control click wrist.